What's up, everybody? Jeremiah Vegan here, aka Jeremiah the Entrepreneur, live from the webcam. I am currently in Ohio, and I figured I'll just shoot a video for you guys, not really worrying about the quality or anything like that. And I want to talk to you guys about how to consistently make subscribers, how to get subscribers, and how to get 1,200 subscribers within the first month. I'm gonna keep this very simple and plain. One of the most vital things that you can do for your YouTube channel to get subscribers is to be consistent. Fair enough, right? When I say be consistent, if you're starting from scratch, you need to be very, very, very consistent. I'm talking about for the next 60 days, you need to be releasing a video every day. Notice that I said releasing a video and not shooting a video. So what a lot of people have a tendency to do is they have the intentions to be a bigger YouTube channel. They want to get their fan base up. So what they do is they say to themselves they're going to shoot a video every day. That's very tough. People do that, but that can be very challenging, especially if you have a personal life a lot aside, outside of the YouTube world, out of the internet. So you might have children, you might have to have a work, you might have school that you need to worry about. Um, so that may not be very easy to do. So for a lot of people, so what you can do is you can prepare your videos to be released. So you can either come up with your topics, and I'm going to talk about in another video on how you could create topics when you're having some, I guess, writer's block, when you can't think of anything to talk about. But for the most part, what you do is you have to find your niche. Your niche meaning a specific category where you're going to be talking about certain kind of videos. So if you like sewing, you're going to talk about a sewing. You're going to have a sewing channel. If you want to talk about skateboarding, you're going to talk about skateboarding. If you want to talk about food cooking, vegan lifestyle, you're going to talk about personal fitness training, or Star Wars, whatever your niche is, your hobby, and whatever you're going to focus your channel on. You're going to need to figure out what topics you're going to be covering, and you're going to need to be consistent. And what you're going to do is, if you don't have a lot of time, instead of doing a video and uploading it, you're going to do a video, uploading it, and setting it to private. Wait till you have about 20 videos and your creator studio on YouTube before you even decide when you want to release one. Okay, then you can release your videos accordingly. That's what I did. That's kind of what we did for our for my client, for one of my former clients. We took all of his videos and we just worded them and titled them, and what we did was we scheduled them. So YouTube has this feature where you can schedule the YouTube videos. So now for the next 30 days, you're going to see a video every single day, and that's going to build up your YouTube channel. That's going to get you to rank, because YouTube is a YouTube is a search engine. So what they look for is content, and they want to make sure that they give their viewers the best amount of content in the shortest amount of time. So if you are releasing video consistently related to a specific topic, YouTube is going to recognize that, and they're going to start ranking your videos. So that is the quickest way. So it's January now. I'm assuming this is January or February, depending on when this video is released and you guys are watching it. I want you guys to watch my YouTube channel and watch how I have took my channel to 184 subscribers starting the new year to now. Okay, and I did the same thing for my client, where we took his YouTube channel from 200 subscribers. It was a trucking channel. We took it from 200 subscribers to now it's at 4,000 subscribers within 6 to 8 months, and that was with very minimum video marketing. Now I have a tremendous amount of video marketing knowledge, so I'm way better at it. So now I know exactly what I want to do and know what I need to do to get to that point. So that's one of the simple tips that I can give you guys, is being consistent with your videos, being able to prepare and get your videos going. That's the main focus that you need to be focusing on. And then you can focus on selling products and selling courses, or getting your name out there, and worry about getting paid through YouTube and stuff like that. And YouTube is actually a small portion of what you can get. A lot of people who don't know, um, they think off the rip that you make that they want to be a YouTuber. That's their dream. They want to be a YouTuber. Well, YouTube ads don't really pay a whole lot. You have to get a lot of subscribers and stuff like that, and you're putting kind of your eggs in one basket. So on this channel, Vegan Entrepreneur here, so we're going to be talking about ways for you to actually expand and develop multiple streams of income just using video. Okay, so we're going to be talking about that on this channel, but I just wanted to wrap that up and give you guys a simple tip. Now, what's my simple tip? Simple tip, two of them actually. Do videos consistently. Prepare them before you even release them. Okay, if you're not going to release them day by day, or if you're not going to shoot and release your videos day by day, it's way easier for you to already pre-record your videos. First of all, figure out what topics you want to talk about, record them, upload them to your YouTube Creator Studio, have it chill, in your Creator Studio till you got about 20 videos in your video cloud, and then you start releasing them. Do that every day, and I guarantee you, you're going to start getting more viewers. Okay, don't forget that you need to worry about the titling too. The titling and the descriptions are very important when you're doing your videos. A lot of people don't know that too. They always give these vague descriptions and all of these vague titles, expecting people to find you. And you're wondering why you're not getting any views. Is because you're titling your videos where people what people aren't looking for. You gotta title people or what people you gotta title your videos what people are looking for. Find out what people are interested. Find out what people are interested in, whatever you're talking about. I'm gonna talk about that in another video on how to title your videos. But that kind of wraps everything up. Um, I need you guys to comment on why you're looking to start your YouTube channel and what you plan on doing, okay? And then you can ask me a question. And right now this channel is small enough to where I can actually respond to everyone, and I can even respond to it in the video, which would increase obviously the popularity of this channel, and it also lets me give value. That's another thing I want to talk to you guys about real quick, is giving value. You want to make sure you give value. Give more value than you ask for. Okay, as far as compensation, don't worry about compensation, because if you give people value and something that people can actually relate to and benefit from, they're going to follow you anyway and appreciate you. I guarantee you, we did this with our client when he talked about trucking. He started giving out so many gems, so much good content, that people naturally start gaining an interest and liking him, and they start following him more, and to the point where he don't even talk about trucking. He can talk about other things and people are going to watch it. So he can potentially he's getting people interested in stuff that he's interested in now, that is not even relevant to the content that he was starting to get his popularity from. You see what I'm saying? So that is the video for today on how to get 1,200 subscribers within your first month. Those are some tips that's going to help you. I guarantee you, if you continue to watch these videos and continue to comment on what I'm saying, or comment, and if you want me to help you, I do some consulting stuff, free stuff that I give out. Just continue to watch and you will see. Listen to what I'm saying and you're going to get big. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comments on what you think, and I'll respond with another video. Talk to you soon.